Alrighty guys, got another video. Today we are sampling the old school tins of a Pokemon vending machine. There's a couple of them in the state. And so we got 3 of them. These are a bit old school. They had these and then they had the Ultra Ball tins. And then I was researching after and I think I should have got the Ultra Ball tins because I think the Ultra Ball tins have burning shadows. So maybe I'll make it's on the other side of town. But maybe I'll make it back to that side of town. And pick those up. There's the Pikachu. Alright, let's see what we got in this one. Burning Shadow, or Darkness Ablaze, Rebel Clash, Sun and Moon, Fates Collide. So it's still very cool, but the Burning Shadows is kind of what we're after. But considering these tins are about a year old, from everything I see on Twitter, maybe even more, they might have been the 2020 tin. How often do you find XY packs these days? So that is pretty neat. I think on XY packs it's just 3 cards. I just have to remind myself. On that one to just do the 3. We pull plenty of Rebel or Darkness Ablaze. But there's plenty we still need. We like the gold Colossal. I think we have the gold Rillaboom. Well, I know we have a gold Rillaboom, and I think it's from Darkness Ablaze. Alright. Butterfree B. Got a hit. Alright, so we did Rebel, or again, I'm confused. Darkness Ablaze. Rebel Clash, I don't have nearly as many cards from in the Master set, so this is, be nice to pull something here. Bunnelby, Dope V. Back-to-back hits. Alright, Sun and Moon. I also believe is 4 cards. I think it's just XY. So I hope it's 4 cards because that has lots of wear and tear on it. Good. Waste that on the energy. That's fine. Ultra Ball, Young Goose, Paris, Caterpie, Makuhita, Chinchu. There we go. This tin's showing out pretty nice so far. Aye, and then the code card is that way. It was green. Isn't that a thing for the XY series? Which is a bit of a bummer because I think it told us Marowak Explode. Alright. On to Eternatus V Tin. There's that. And I assume a lot of the same. Rebel Clash, or Dark. I don't know why I keep confusing. Alright, so we're going to have to go grab those Ultra Balls because I am on the hunt for more Burning Shadows. We all know what's in that set, and we all know what we're looking for. And those have become available either just regionally, I don't know, but they're available knowing that those Ultra Ball tins are there, but also because the Galarian Slowbro tins seem to carry them. So, Simeon and Muck. I really enjoyed opening Darkness Ablaze. Opened a lot of it. Had pretty good luck with it. Alright, let's see what we got. Familiar Rose, Rowlet, Squavit, Spinarak, Vesta, Staraptor, Cavalier. Alright, Rebel Clash. tin give us more hits. 3 of them. Can the older sets here come through? I'm assuming these are all reprints. The rates go down with the reprints, but it's still always worth a look to try to get. Alright. There we go, we figured that out. So at least now we build a little bit of anticipation if there's anything waiting for us. Ammonite. Snorlax. It's kind of cool. Alright, on to the 13 Eevee Tin. There's the Eevee code card. 5 more packs, all the same. We'll keep them in that order. That was a dud of a tin. Let's see if we can't do. I almost got all Eternatus, and now I'm going to question myself because that first Eternatus tin is pretty good. Word Keeper. There's something. Grim Snarl VMAX. There we go. I do know I have that one. It's kind of hard for as much Darkness Ablaze we pulled. I think I'm down to just the secret rares, maybe a couple ultra rares we need out of that. I think we've pulled, and I'd like the gold. We pulled 2 gold. I think it's an energy something, and then also the Rillaboom. All right, Rebel Clash. Yep, we got something. Alpagos V. Alright, now is this where we get our monies back? Come on, I don't think we have in the collection many ultra rares. So let's see. Fencer was cool. Yeah, it's a hollow. Nope. All right, guys. Leave a thumbs up. Catch you next time.